Okay mga kababayan, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ngayon nandito po tayo sa may B. Francisco Street. Ayan, update po natin ulit dito yung double decker sa Skyway. Ayan. Ito po mga kababayan, nakita po natin yan. Pinuhukay na nila, dalawang hukay yun. Ayan. Ito po dito mga kababayan ay ang sabi po sa atin ay on ramp off ramp po ito dito. Ang ano dito mga kababayan, kasi sirado po ito dito. Di pa daw po nila alam kung kailan. Ito dito on ramp off ramp ang gagawin dito mga kababayan. Pero ang ilalim ay madadaanan pa rin po mga kababayan dito. Hindi ito isisirado. Bali may daanan sa taas, may daanan din po sa baba. Hindi daw ito sisirado dito. Bali ano lang siya, may off ramp, may on ramp dyan. Ayun no, doon sa pinakatuktok talaga. Itong left side off ramp, tapos ito naman dito on ramp mga kababayan sa may right side. Ayan. Yan po ang sabi sa ating kanina. Ano tayo? Nagtanong. Ayan. Ayun, dadalawa na yung butas sugay yan. Saka doon. Yan, hinuhukay na. Ay dito naman sa kabila yung NLEX yan dyan mga kababayan. Ito dito yung Skyway. Ayan. Hinuhukay na. Hindi pa daw nila alam kung kailan ang sirado to dito, kung kailan ay kukulos yung daan to dito sa may B. Francisco Street. Ayan, kasi inaaprobahan pa doon ng City Hall to dito bago nila isarado. Butas na, dalawang butas to dito. Kaya papaliparan po natin ng drone kahit sobrang lakas ng hangin mga kababayan. Tiwilitin natin para makita natin ng kabuuan area papunta doon sa may Nagtahan Bridge mga kababayan. Yan, ito mga kababayan, i-update natin dito at papaliparan natin ng drone. Nakita po natin ay may dalawang butas na po. Ayan, may dalawang butas na dyan. Ayan, isang butas. At saka yun, pangalawang butas. Ayan. Okay mga kababayan, papaliparan po natin ng drone para makita po natin ang kabuuan area dito sa Skyway mga kababayan. Tara, let's go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.